Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure TensorFlow Data Validation with BigQuery, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure TensorFlow Data Validation with BigQuery, start by ensuring you have the necessary libraries installed. You will need TensorFlow, TensorFlow Data Validation, and Google Cloud libraries. Install these libraries using pip if you haven't already. Next, set up your Google Cloud project and enable the BigQuery API. Make sure to authenticate your Google Cloud account with the necessary permissions. Open your terminal or command prompt and set the project ID. You can do this using the command cloud config set project your project ID. Create a new BigQuery dataset if you don't already have one. Use the BigQuery console or the command line for this task. Now, you'll want to import your dataset into BigQuery. Ensure that your dataset is structured correctly for analysis. With your dataset ready, it's time to load TensorFlow Data Validation. Import TFDV in your Python script using import TensorFlow_data_validation is TFDV. Next, define the location of your BigQuery dataset. This can be done with a simple string, BQ_dataset equals your_dataset_id.your_table_id. Check the schema of your dataset using TFDV. Call tfdv.infer_schema and pass your BigQuery dataset. This process will analyze your data and provide you with a schema definition. You can visualize the schema with tfdv.visualize_schema. Review the output for any anomalies or issues in your dataset. Now, proceed to validate your data against the inferred schema. Use the command tfdv.validate_statistics and provide the schema and statistics to compare. If you encounter any validation errors, take note of them for further investigation. You can also generate statistics for a new dataset using tfdv.generate_statistics_from_dataframe. This will help you understand the distribution and quality of your data. Finally, if everything looks good, you can proceed with your machine learning model. Ensure to make adjustments based on the insights gained from TensorFlow Data Validation. By following these steps, you should have a solid configuration of TensorFlow Data Validation with BigQuery. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.